Hey everybody, this is the 18th of July 2012. This is another couple of trades on Euro dollar and British pound US dollar. So just to do the usual, just explain to you why I got in and why I decided my exits were. So we can see, this is on Euro US dollar, we can see we had our previous move from yesterday. Market makers accumulating, obviously sell orders now, you can see that. Profit release down, that was your 90 pips from there, clearly hit, walked into resistance, and bounced the way back up. This was actually another, you could have grabbed some of that on the way back up, I think some people did. So last night I'd kind of marked up, sort of just an area there. I thought, if anybody was short, that might be where it might go to for stops and stuff. So as I went to bed, I noticed the market maker activity, I thought, well, if it runs up above here somewhere, it could be a chance to get short following day, so we'll see what happens when we wake up. So get in the morning, you can see you've had market maker accumulation again, called market maker entries as well. So just step forward a couple of bars, and that's 8 o'clock till 8:30 there, a couple of bars, more market maker activity. So I'm now starting to think already we could get short here with this accumulation with the red and 10. Kind of move back up there, market maker activity. So I like the fact that more market maker activity out of the box. So yeah, it's that kind of sense of knowing really that we talked about on some of the chats and stuff I noticed today. So anyway, I got myself in around about 83, I believe. So around about there. So target obviously again 4 pips for me, just my broker. Down at 220. Yep. Yeah, but more market maker activity. I mean, this is still adding to the story, to be honest, as far as I felt at that time. So, and then nice bit of confirmation to really make me feel comfortable with the trade. Once I seen that, I think I started just moving the stops down a little bit. Initially they were just above there, so away it goes again. Stops again moved down all the time, so around about 300 I think I put it for. Getting close to exit now as well. I mean, you can move it further, but I was sure by this point that it was all correct and it was going to run to target. Yeah, you start to get a bit of fading here, but like I say, still happy with that. And there you go, bash straight down through target. Thanks very much. A good 60. What's that? 63 3 points from that one. So that was pretty good. So I liked all of that. Just flip across now to British pounds, similar setup, 90 pip move from before. You had market maker activity, some accumulation on the way down as well. But yeah, you can see kind of why, on the way down, 90 pips all the way. So again, sort of marked up an area where I thought, if you were short here, where would you put your stops? So where we might run it back to, and sure enough they did. Run it all the way back up. I'm in my bed obviously, get up in the morning, see my line's still there, see what's happened. We had some market maker activity, we had some accumulation at possible areas where there's going to be stops. Some more market maker activity, bouncing up, definitely thinking this could be good for a short here again. Stuck on the tool. See where we go, and this bar actually ended up closing quite low, 44. I think it was just on the next bar down, yeah. So I was in at 42, so it's just there as it closed at 44. When it closed at 44, I decided to just take it on straight away. That sense of knowing again just felt right, given the previous action, red and 10. Let's move back up, accumulation. Well, looked good. I didn't necessarily think that it was going to come up here and punch out some stops. if it done that, that would have been just more confirmation for me to be short. So mark up an X at 82 and let it play out. Nice little bit of red intent there. Away it goes. Just walk out a little bit of resistance there. But yeah, pretty much tagged. Annoyingly for me though is that this bar, I think the next one as well. This bar, the low was 77, and my broker got a low as 81.5 and didn't take me out. So just as I flipped across to that, and you know, you seen it had moved up a little bit. So because it reached the target, I just closed it, and so I ended up missing out about 9 or 10 pips, I think, which is mildly annoying. So something to note on, especially my broker with the British pound, the spread's a little bit bigger. So maybe just go for 5 pips next time off the 90 pip target, or just see if they're kind of similar, the lows of the bars, any other previous highs and lows and stuff. Just sometimes helps you just to make sure you get out. If you're at the screen, obviously as soon as you see it there, close it. That's ideal. But if you're aware, just set a limit order or something. So interestingly enough, I did look at the fact that the previous high volume from yesterday was at 579 on British pound, which incidentally is also resistance. I dabbled with the idea of just reversing the trade straight away, like some of what Nicky be doing, but I wasn't quite as confident that that sense of knowing wasn't quite there for me. So I kind of gave that a miss. But hey, if you did do that, you would have got to run back to at least the 45 pip line. So as you can see, there was some movement back up, and then there's a nice little jump bar coming up, I believe, just before the American market. So there you go. So market maker activity as well. So don't know if anybody played that, but yeah, good luck if you did. That was I didn't notice it at the time. It was only a bit later on I noticed that. I was bang on. That's what stopped it in its tracks, basically. Pretty low risk as well. Even on the next bar you could have got him with that fading down. So stick an order there. Even a 10 pip stop, minimal risk. Get some more 45 pips back up. Anyway, that was it. Yep, have a good one. I hope you guys all got some of that, and we'll see you tomorrow or following day. Cheers.